Hello friends, welcome to EPIT Research Labs Private Limited. Today we have come with a very small experiment which will be very interesting. So today we are making a battery using salt water. So we have taken two electrodes as we are making the battery. We are taking two electrodes. One is made up of zinc and other graphite. So we are immersing two electrodes, anode and cathode, into a salt water. So we are connecting all five glasses with the salt water in a series to make the voltage increase. So we are checking the voltage at the terminals. So let's connect it to the setup which we have done to measure the voltage. Okay, here we have used STM32 blue pill with LM L2596 L2956 to convert the voltage from 12 volts to 5 volts. We are given a 5 volts as a power supply to the STM32 to the display. Display is connected with I2C and it is connected to SCL and SDA pins of STM32. We are using voltage sensor to read the complete voltage of the cells. So firstly I am giving a power supply to the setup. I am connecting it to here. When I connected, it shows the generated voltage. It is 0.0 as we are not connected wires to the cell. So let me connect it to the cell. I am connecting it now to the cell. You can see the voltage which is showing 4.36 generator voltage. So we can make a battery using salt water and using zinc and graphite plates connected in it as a anode and cathode. So let's go check the same voltage using a multimeter. So I am connecting a multimeter. When I connected the multimeter, you can see the voltage which is showing 4.28 and you can see the generated voltage in the display which is also that 4.21 4.23. So the voltage generated is same when I check with the multimeter and check the terminals, and will check the voltage using just only multimeter. I removed complete entire source of supply. You can see the battery generated voltage, so the generated voltage is 4.46 volts. Thank you.